Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of the Flash Furniture Hercules Series 1000 pound capacity black resin folding chair with black vinyl padded seat. So it's available in 3 different color. You can see that it's available black, red mahogany I think, and white. So you can order it as a single one or a 4 piece package, which is really good. A lot of these foldable chairs you can only order with 4 piece or 6 piece, something like that. So that's a good thing. Yeah, it has quite some good reviews. Oh yeah, I forgot about the price. It's really cheap. I ordered it for about 35 or $36. It goes sorry, it goes up and down by about $1 or $2, so not much, at least since the listing came out a couple of months ago. So let's check the box. I'll open it and then I'll continue with the video. So to be honest, I was a little bit surprised because of the size of the box. You can see that the box is huge and I expected a small foldable chair, but you see the difference now. Hope you can see that. The box is really huge. The box is actually way too large. It would fit for probably 2 or 3 or almost 4 of these chairs. So yeah, the chair is really small. I was a little bit afraid that it will be too large. So let's take it out of the box. I mean, of the bag. Yeah, there are only 2 pieces which I have to attach. These are probably, no, I expected this for the bottom, but it looks like it's everything already there. So, and no instructions. Yeah, there are no instructions. So that's a little bit surprising. So yeah, I just try to open that. Yeah, one moment. I make the camera angle a little bit different so you can see how that works. Hopefully so hopefully you will be able to see it now. Okay, it's really easy. Okay, nothing really special. Oh wow. Yeah, so I take the camera on the side to side so you can see that. So it's really difficult, nothing special. I've read some reviews that it should be difficult to fold and store, but I guess it's not really difficult. I'll try that too, but I still haven't found where I have to put these 2 things. So I really don't see anything, so maybe I will find out later. So let's just flip it together. Yeah, so I don't know why people are complaining about that. Somebody wrote he had to try for half an hour to fold it together. I think probably that was another chair, and the yeah, he made a review for another chair. So this is really super simple to open and close, doesn't get any easier. The cushion, yeah, of course, I mean it's cheap. It's a cheap chair, it's not a $100 chair. Look at this, it's not. I take the camera off the stand so I can go a little bit low. You can see how thick or thin it is, and when I push down you can see there's not, it's not a super soft cushion, but there is a cushion, of course. Maybe because of the plastic, which is a little bit thinner here, there will be also some kind of additional cushion effect. But it looks really stable. I mean, it says it should fit for 1,000 pound. Yeah, I mean, there were some reviews which claimed that they tested it with 1,000 pound or close to 1,000 pound. Yeah, I've seen chairs which are definitely weaker, but I wouldn't try to test it with 1,000 pounds. There's a few things which I think, yeah, maybe 500 pound, okay, but 1,000 pound, I don't know. But anyway, the thing is, the problem which I have a little bit when you use it on a carpet, then you have to be careful with the bottom side of, I mean, the, yeah, of the thing of the chair. I mean, it's not rough, it's not super soft. I mean, there's no cushion or nothing, but you can put something on. Maybe you could even drill something into that. Yeah, it will work for me. So you have to know where you will use that. Yeah, it's not super soft, but it's not super hard. It won't usually damage, but if you have a wooden floor, I wouldn't use that on a soft wooden floor or at any wooden floor at all. I would put something I would do something on top of that or underneath. So still no use for that. I really no clue. I will find out later, but it can't be really important. Doesn't fit here. I don't see anything. Yeah, it's finished. So the good thing is, actually, you don't have to screw, you don't have to do anything. You can just open it and use it. You can when you have a big event and you order 50 of them, you can use them right away. You don't have to hire people to put them together. So and I'll use it now. So unfortunately you don't see anything. I'll sit on it now. That's not bad. So for an hour or two, I wouldn't like to sit on this chair for the whole day, but for an hour or two, it's definitely good to go. Even for the back, it's round. So I'll show you. So here you can see that it has some kind of natural, it's bent a little bit, which is really good. So really no complaints, looks beautiful, easy to store, easy to open, exactly what I was looking for. So at least, yeah, from my side, full recommendation. And if you want to buy it, you find the link below in the description. And if you have any questions, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.